Hello, dancers. Where are you at? I'm missing a lot of assignments from a lot of people, but I'm going to keep giving you information. I'm going to hope everybody gets ready and dancing on a weekly basis because I need you to do your assignments. All right. We are still in week 4. I'm going to give you another variety, your choice this week. You did your Just Dance videos on Monday. So today, Wednesday, you guys get to pick 3 videos from Fitness Marshall. We've done Fitness Marshall before, but you get to choose 3 different videos that you want to do. And again, I want you to try each video at least 2 times, maybe even 3, to get your heart rate up. Repetition and practice are the key. They're all pretty short dances, but if you do them 2 to 3 times, you'll have at least a good half-an-hour workout. Of course, our objective, as always, is to improve your health, well-being, and your learning ability to learn new dances. All of those benefits there. So our actual, I said Just Dance, but it is Fitness Marshall. I didn't change that one, Fitness Marshall. So go ahead and go to the Fitness Marshall website, click on that. It will show you all of the videos. We have lots of different videos that you can do. So once you choose a video that you want, go ahead and select that video. This is the one that I chose. I thought it was good for the morning. Did it this morning. Rub your eyes, rub your eyes, wake up. All right. So this is what I want you to do. You choose however many you want. All right. So again, 3 of them, your choice, whichever ones you want to do. Choose your videos. Make sure you're doing your reflection questions at the end. Again, I need everybody participating. These are your participation grades. It is required that you do your lessons on a daily basis, Monday and Wednesday. I need your assignments in. It's only half an hour of your life to do your workout. So get your assignments done. I'm missing quite a few. All right, so that's your assignment. 3 Fitness Marshall workout videos. Go ahead and do that. You choose, do your reflection questions, and I'll see you next week. Have a great day.